I am telling again one time, that is how to solve the practice set number 27. This practice set number 27 is based on our a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This rule you want to use. They will give in this form the examples and we have to use this rule. And here see, this here they are given some example. If they are given any fraction question also, that time also you have to use this rule. We have to take base as the same and only have to add the index one. Now we'll go for our next part. In that one I am showing one more our rule. See, in your textbook they are given this rule and we have to remember this rule also. And here I am showing one, our next rule is our related to our division is there. See here, if anyone here, see, I want to show our next part is our division of our indices with the same base. See here, you want to do the division of the indices. Okay, how to do? Here base is same but their index is different. That time you want to use here this rule, that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is there. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is there. Base is same. That time we have to do what to do, that is a raised to m minus n. See here in the multiplication, here you are adding the index. Here for division we have to subtract the index. See here m is a greater than n. That time you have to use this rule, that is for our division. And one more here they are given the rule, that is any number raised to 0 is there. Any number raised to 0, that is a raised to 0 is there. That time their value will come 1. That time their value will come 1. Here one more rule they are given, that is a raised to minus m is there. A raised to minus m is there. That time you have to write this number in this way, that is a 1 upon a raised to m you write. That is a 1 upon a raised to m means what? That numerator number when you taking for denominator, that time minus will become a plus. Okay. And these are the rules are very important when you are solving our next our practice set is our that will be the 28 is there. And before going for that, one more rule they are given, that is a upon b raised to minus m. A upon b raised to minus m is there. That time this answer will come b upon a raised to m. See here you have to take the multiplicative inverse, that is a b. In a b place a will come, in a place b will come. That is the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator will come. That answer will come b upon a raised to m will come. Then these all are some rules are there. And here one more rule they are given here. That will be, see, the next rule is our next rule is they are given, that will be, see, if any negative number, see here, any negative number is a base and their index is a even number, then their answer will come positive. And if any one base is a negative and their index is an odd number, then their final answer will come here negative 1. Then see, these all are some rules and here they are given some solved example also. And side by side in your notebook we have to solve this solved example as well as whatever I am showing this practice set 27 and 28, that also you have to be solved. And now I am showing the practice set 28 how to do this one. See, using this rule, you want to go for our practice set number 28. In this rule, first I am showing here how to use our division of this index number. See here, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4 is there. See here base is same. Then what to do? Here we have to subtract the index. Then what will come? A raised to 6 minus 4. What will come? A raised to 2 will be there. Okay. Here one more question I am taking, that is x raised to 10 divided by x raised to 10. Here see, base is same as well as their index is also same. Then 10 minus 10 will come here 0. X raised to 0. You know it. A raised to 0 value will come 1. Then this is about the simplification. Some questions are there. If they ask here find the value, then what to do? See here also we have to use our that division rule. That is a raised to m minus n. That will be, see here, minus 7. 12 minus 7, that is 7 raised to 0 value will come here 1 here. And here some more question I am showing, that is a 4 upon 5 raised to 3 and 4 upon 5 raised to 2 is there. Here 4 upon 5 base is same. Then we have to subtract the numerator, subtract the base. 3 minus 2 will get 1. That is a value will come here 4 upon 5 only. If one more question if you take, that is 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5. Then 4 raised to 7 minus 5. What will come? 4 raised to 2. Here up to this one you have to not to solve, because here they ask their value. Means you have to multiply 4 into 4 2 times. Will get here 16. Then these all are some rules. We have to write it in your notebook. And as well as you solve the solved example which they are given in your textbook. Then the next part will go for our next hour period.